In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Roman numerals in numbered lists. Whether you're working on a formal document, creating study guides, or preparing a presentation that requires a touch of classic elegance, using Roman numerals can add that perfect finishing detail. Let's dive right in and explore how to accomplish this in an easy and efficient manner. First, you need to highlight or place your cursor precisely where you want to create a list. This is a crucial step because ensuring your cursor is in the right position will define where your list begins. If it's a brand new list, you'll want to make sure your cursor is on a fresh line, whereas if you're editing an existing list, select the text you want to transform into a Roman numeral list. Attention to this detail will save you time and make the process seamless. Next, locate the Numbered List button in your toolbar. This is usually represented by a small icon that resembles numbers or points in a list format. Clicking on this will not immediately transform your list into Roman numerals, but rather open up a menu of options. This menu is the gateway to customizing your list format, so be sure you click on it to reveal the possibilities. In the drop-down menu, look for the option titled More Options. This might not always be apparent right away, as software updates and different platforms can change the look and location of these settings. However, More Options is where you'll likely find alternate styles for your list. Click it, and you'll see various settings, among them the choice to switch to Roman numerals. Now, in this part of the menu, you will be presented with different Roman numeral styles. Typically, you'll have the option to choose from uppercase Roman numerals, like I, 2, 3, or lowercase ones, such as I, 2, she. The uppercase choice lends itself well to formal documents, potentially adding a sense of gravitas to your content. The lowercase style, on the other hand, can be more fitting for less formal or more modern contexts. Select the one that aligns best with your needs or the tone of your document. And there you have it. Your list should now appear in the elegant format of Roman numerals. It's a small but significant change that can enhance the appearance of your document and give it a touch of classical flair. As a quick tip, ensure you review your document to confirm everything aligns correctly, as formatting can sometimes shift unexpectedly. Now, you're all set to make your documents stand out with this timeless touch. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!